Introducing our 20 Oz glass food storage jars with 132 pantry labels. This set of 6 thick glass storage containers with airtight bamboo lids is perfect for organizing your kitchen pantry. And to make things even better, we've included minimalist white labels pre-printed with black text, so you can easily keep track of your food items. The beautiful gift box packaging makes these glass jars with bamboo lids even more special. They would make a great Mother's Day or housewarming gift for someone who loves kitchen organization. Order your set now and surprise your loved ones with this stylish and practical gift. With 132 kitchen pantry labels, you can keep your food dry and your pantry tidy. These labels are pre-printed on premium vinyl stickers that won't tear or peel off, but can easily be removed if needed. The minimalist design of the labels adds a touch of elegance to your storage containers. But these glass jars are not just beautiful, they are also durable. Made with high-quality thick glass, they will enhance the look of your party or home with their farmhouse style. The wide-mouth wood lid with silicone ring provides a safe and tight seal to keep your food dry at all times. And the best part? These pantry containers are multi-purpose. Whether you want to use them for spices, tea, herbs, flour, sugar, or even in the laundry room, they will meet all your storage needs. They are designed to provide the best experience possible with their high-quality glass and beautiful artistic shape. Cleaning these glass food storage containers is a breeze. They are dishwasher safe, so you can simply wash them under warm water or toss them in the dishwasher. The bamboo lid can be easily wiped clean with a cloth. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Please check compatibility before purchasing. With over 1,152 customer ratings and an average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars, these glass food storage jars are loved by many. They are ranked number 7,231 in the kitchen and dining category and number 32 in food jars and canisters. You can find more information about this product on our website under ASIN B0B79YV58S. Organize your kitchen pantry in style with our 20 Oz glass food storage jars with 132 pantry labels. Get yours today and enjoy the convenience and elegance they bring to your home.